Hey guys, Jim here from Jim's Tech. Today I've got a review of a CD slot mount. So I picked this up off the UK website for about, I think they were advertising for around £18. So with shipping and everything all up, it cost me $35 Australian delivered here. The cool thing with this, as you can see, I'll open it up anyway. It won't be much of an unboxing. So for the $35 you get the CD slot mount itself. And the reason it's got the three knobs on it, so basically the slider mount will attach to either one, so you can put it middle, left or right. And the other thing that they do is they do sell extra attachments. So if you want to have, say, your mobile phone on one slot, GPS unit on the other, or if you've got yours and your partner's phones, you basically can have it on there. So it's very simple, it's not much of an unboxing. So you've got the spring-loaded attachment. So as you can see, it'll comfortably take the phone, and it opens up even further, so I can even put on a bigger case after and we can have a look at it. And all it is just a matter of picking which one you want to use. I'm probably going to try the middle one. Put this on. You hear that little click, and then just tighten it up. And obviously the tighter you do it, it'll stop it from moving around eventually. So once that's on, it won't come off. Cool thing with this as well is if you prefer, you can also turn it sideways to have, to hold your phone sideways, or leave it the way it is like that. And let me just grab a bigger case. So I've got the Spigen Tough Armor. Probably the thickest case that I've got. And once again, comfortably takes it. Shaking it. Seems to be holding the phone quite well, so it won't move around. And my phone's on low battery, but that's fine. So as you can see, like putting it in the car. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now. I'll go set it up in the car. I'll use it for a little bit as well, and I'll see how well it works. But so far, I'm actually quite liking it. So again, just quickly, you can turn it sideways, and I'm shaking it quite violently, and as you can see, it's not coming off. So just as I said, I'll pause the video now. I'll go install it in the car. We'll film it, and after I use it for a week or so, we'll see how it goes. But so far, I'm quite liking it. So that's the CD slot mount. Okay guys, so I've been using this for about 2 weeks now. So basically it's very simple, just a matter of putting it in, and it just sits there, comes in and out quite easily. The clasp opens in the middle, so basically what it is, this is a two-handed job to put it in. If you try to do it with one, you'll see it'll just come out. So it is a two-handed job, but once it's in, it is very stable. You can obviously adjust it how you like, turn it as well if you prefer to have your phone like so. And then to take it out again, you can do it one-handed, but again, it's better off doing it two-handed. I haven't had any problems with it coming out while the phone's in it, because when the phone's sitting in there, it sort of puts a bit of weight on it, so it won't fall out. But I have a couple of times when I've had the holder in by itself, accidentally knocked it, and it does come out. But like I said, not a problem while the phone's sitting in there. They also do say that the CD player will still work with it in there. I haven't tested that because I don't really use CDs, either radio, Spotify or stuff like that. But that's basically it. I do really like it, and I'm going to keep on using it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give a thumbs up. Also, feel free to subscribe, as I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you.